In Japan, it is customary for companies and households alike to perform a thorough cleaning, or ōsōji, at the end of the year. Tradition holds that this should be done between the 13th and the 28th of December. Cleaning after the 28th is considered inauspicious for several reasons. The 29th evokes the phrase double hardship, nijuku. 30th corresponds to New Year's Eve in the old lunar calendar. And cleaning on the 31st is deemed disrespectful to the gods, as it is associated with last-minute preparation, ichiya kazari. When I was a child, my family would always dedicate time for ōsōji, once in the summer and once in the winter. The ōsōji in the winter was almost like a grand event, where every family member would clean a different area of our home. But I remember finding it incredibly bothersome as a child. I wanted to play with my friends, but in the freezing cold weather, I had to clean every lampshade, wipe each crevice around the frames of our chairs, the railings of the shoji doors. We'd even clear out the water pipes and clean out the inside of air conditioners and fans. We'd take apart our furniture and wipe and clean all of the dust and put it back together. My parents would come around and check to see how well we've cleaned. I've even compared my cleaning to my siblings and feel confident or humbled. It was bothersome at first, but once you start getting good at it, it feels rewarding. And because every member of the family was involved, this ōsōji was like a joint venture. Everyone comes together on this mission to clean, and now looking back, I realize it was a wonderful tradition of family bonding. Now at Fukugonji Temple, we approach not only year-end cleaning, but all cleaning tasks with 3 guiding principles. 1. Seiri, let go, to discern what is unnecessary and discarded. 2. Seiton, organization, to determine what is necessary and return it to its rightful place. 3. Seiso, cleaning, to maintain a pristine, like new state. These principles extend beyond physical spaces like one's home, fridge, desk, drawers, or wardrobe. They also apply to less tangible areas such as your digital workspace, personal relationships, professional responsibilities, and even your thoughts. As the years go by, clutter accumulates not only in our physical surroundings, but also in our minds. Objects, information, and emotions become scattered, dirty, and stagnant. That is why this time of year is an invaluable opportunity to practice letting go, organizing, and cleaning. The end of the year is undeniably busy, with preparations for Christmas, New Year's festivities, and completing work before the holidays. You may find it difficult to devote time to a thorough cleaning. However, you will find that as you clear, clean, and care for your surroundings, you start to feel lighter. What you do and change in the outer world will be reflected in your inner world. So by embracing the spirit of ōsōji each year, you can clear away the disorder and grime of the past year, ensuring that your home, work environment, life, and mind are refreshed and ready to welcome the new year with quality and comfort.